Hello viewers, welcome to the lecture on the driver support system. So this is a lecture video that is the continuation of the part 1. So far in the part 1 we have seen about the driver support system and why this system is required and what are all the things that are covering in this driver support system. Yes. So these are the things we have seen so far. The lastly we have seen about the driver perception system, and in today's lecture we continue this presentation, right? So the next thing is about the driver convenience system. So this driver convenience system is a combination of the adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automated parking and road traffic sign recognition. So this first system, that is the adaptive cruise control. We may heard about the cruise control. This cruise control is a technology which applies the acceleration electronically to a specified speed limit that is set by the driver. Here, now we are seeing about adaptive cruise control. This adaptive cruise control is one of the system, right? So it adapts the environment. For example, in an old system, that is a normal cruise control, only the speed is set. Here, this adaptive cruise control uses the sensors such as radar and lidar by detecting the object, and it acts accordingly, and it also maintains the constant speed. For example, if you are traveling with adaptive cruise control for a speed limit of 60, the system itself accelerates the vehicle for 60 kilometers per hour speed. But if someone, for example, some vehicle or some object may intrude in your specified path, so there may be a chance of collision if you are not applying the brake. But here, this adaptive cruise control, the system detects the object or the obstacle, then it makes the brake or it engages the brake, reduces the speed. Once the distance between the object and the vehicle is maintained sufficient, then the system again starts accelerating to the set limit of 60 kilometer per hour. So this is about the adaptive cruise control. The next thing is the lane keep assist. So we have discussed already about this lane keep assist in the previous videos, right? So simple. This lane keep assist is nothing but the system that captures the lane, right? So if you're crossing the lane, or if the wheels crosses the lane, or if there is a curve or somewhat the lane changes or direction changes can be indicated by the lane keep assist system. So this is a very important system while traveling in the highways. Then the next is the automated parking. So this automated parking is a very important system which helps the driver to park the vehicle in a specified place. For example, if a few beginners or few drivers may not be aware of the space, the sufficient or the ability to park the vehicle in a customized space or the available space. So at that time, the vehicle, the AI, by use of the AI, the vehicle detects the space nearby, and it indicates the driver to choose the lot, and according to the selection of the driver, the AI makes the system to park in that particular place by engaging the steering as well as braking as well as acceleration. So this is a very good system that is implemented in nowadays. Then the traffic sign recognition, it's very much important because, for example, a pedestrian crossing or a school zone or a hospital zone or whatever it is. So this traffic sign recognition is a very much important concept. It should be aware because the driver may not notice the road signs or the traffic signs, and they keep traveling or violating the traffic rules, may cause penalties or may cause accidents also. So this traffic sign recognition is one of the thing which is implemented in the vehicles that indicates the driver if they are not following the traffic sign. So the next is the driver monitoring system. So far we have seen about the vehicle's abilities. Now we are seeing about the driver's ability. For example, if a driver is keep on driving, We may say, we may notice in the highways that there are some parking bays for the vehicle to park in that, and the driver can have a sleep or rest for 2 to 3 hours, right? So this is because for a particular time interval, the human beings may feel sleepy while on the road, right? So at that time, the accidents may happen. So this is a drowsiness detection sensor which detects the blinking of eyes, right? So if the driver is not blinking, or the eyes of the driver is not blinking, or the eyes are kept closed, this sensor detects the movement of the retina, then it alerts the driver. That is what the drowsiness detection. Then that is the same eye tracking technology. Then facial recognition. If he is not the recognized driver, means the vehicle will not engage. That kind of systems are nowadays implemented, right? So these are the driver monitoring system. Then the steering angle sensor. If some driver suddenly steers in the opposite angle, or without reducing the speed, the vehicles may roll, or vehicles will lose its stability or the control. So we can see the hilly regions where the accidents may happen most of the times. So that is because of the steering angle or the sudden the change in direction. So this can be monitored by using the steering angle sensor. So there are many things to speak about the driver safety system. So we will continue in the next lecture. Thank you.